Welcome to this demonstration on clutch cable removal and inspection. Check the clutch cable free movement while pressing the clutch lever. Inspect the clutch cable free plate as per the service manual. Clutch cable removal. Loosen and remove the clutch cable outer lock nut at the clutch cable bracket rear side on the right hand side crankcase using a 12 mm double end spanner. The rubber grommet must be gently pushed outside away from the adjuster. Loosen the inner lock nut fully from the threaded position. Push the clutch cable completely out from the bracket. Remove the outer lock nut from the clutch cable. Gently pull out the clutch cable from the front side of the bracket. Remove the cable from the handle clutch lever. Then disconnect the inner cable by aligning it with the slit in the lever. And finally, remove the clutch cable from the vehicle. Clutch cable assembly. Clutch cable routing must be done properly. The clutch cable should be routed through the T-stem and the hole given in the right hand side mounting of the frame. It is a small hole where the clutch cable must be inserted and routed before reaching the clutch lever. Now align the inner cable with the slit given in the hand lever and rotate the cable in such a way that the inner cable gets locked in the hand lever. Locate the outer cable in the bracket at the end of the handlebar. Now position the inner cable into the clutch bracket on the right hand side of the cover and push the threaded adjuster. Locate the inner cable in clutch lever in such a way that it gets a lock in the lever clevis. Ensure the inner lock nut is fully threaded into the adjuster. Insert the outer lock nut through the inner cable and thread it into the adjuster by 3 to 4 turns. Now measure the free play in the clutch lever with the help of special tools by inserting the special tool into the clutch lever. It should be 2 to 3 millimeters. Ensure that the special tool is applied properly. If the play is too tight, adjust it by loosening the outer lock nut and vice versa. Do's and don'ts. Disengaging and engaging of the clutch lever should be completed to ensure smooth transfer of the drive. Never drive the vehicle with half of the clutch lever pressed. It will burn out the clutch assembly. The clutch cable should be lubricated with conductive grease. Do not use any other form of